Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we have an little unboxing. I just bought this new mousepad and please don't be mean, I'm still having the old mousepad. I mean this one is still okay and it's still working, it's still in a good shape, but as you maybe remember from my streams, I'm not the only one guy who's using computer or laptop or a mouse in this home. My girlfriend Ada is gamer from time to time and I wanted for her to have a good mousepad because she's mousepad was old and was not looking so great, and this is why I bought this Aqiris how is it? Gravity. Okay, this Aqiris Gravity Mousepad, and yeah, let's start with the box and let's open the box and let's see what we have inside and other things, because maybe some of you are seeing this unboxing for the first time. Some of you already saw an unboxing for Aqiris mousepads, and I will put a link in description. And yeah, this is it. Then let's start with the box. Then the box looks good, looks premium, as you can see, and on this side we have a hole to can touch the mousepad in store, to have an idea about the feeling of the mousepad. We have a big user manual. I mean, it's not so big. It's more with specs and materials of the mousepad, but is in a lot of languages and some technical specs like dimensions and surface type and other things like this. And on the other side we have some kind of specs with a picture of the mousepad and some QR codes and importer, manufacturer and other things. Here is a picture of the picture that is printed on the mousepad, and yeah, that's it with the box. Let's start with the unboxing, and yeah, let's cut the seals and take it out. I don't have my cutter because I lost it. I don't know where it is in this moment, but I'm pretty sure it is somewhere around, but I don't know where, and it's possible to be necessary to buy a new one if I will not find it. Okay, let's open the box. For some reasons it's not opening, and I don't want to damage the box because it looks damn nice. The box is a little bit coated with something. I think it feels like, I don't know how to name it. Feels like a fluffy, I don't know, a fluffy, sorry, surface. Okay, and yeah, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I really don't like it. Damn it! What the fuck? Was a big price. I mean, was pricey. And yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. I mean, the pictures look good. The pictures look good, but I don't like the borders. The borders are not like this. Yeah, I will not keep it. I will go and yeah, I will return it. I don't want to have one like this because the borders are not how I want it to be. The pictures looks good. I mean, the surface seems to be the same nice. I'm having here a little problem and this is another one thing that I don't like it. And yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, the back of the mousepad is anti-sliding. That's good. It's really good. But yeah, I think it's my mistake because I didn't saw in the store. But 100% I will not keep it. I will go and yeah, I will ask for a different product. If it will be necessary to pay more, I will pay more. It's not a problem. But yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, in the end, let's talk about the product. It's not having the same feeling like Parsec mousepad from Aqiris, because that one was looking like a premium product. This one is not looking like a premium product. On the borders, we have a problem everywhere with the surface. I mean, yeah, I don't like it. Then, in the end, the rest of the things, what to say? The package was looking nice, like a premium product, but this mouse pad is a little bit disappointing if I compare with the same mouse pad from Aqiris with Parsec. In my opinion, Parsec is way better, I mean more good. A difference that I saw is the thickness. This one is a little bit more thick. I mean this Gravity, or how it's named, yeah, Gravity is a little bit more thick. Then this is it. This is the mouse pad, and yeah, I was searching for this. Inside the package you will receive these stickers to personalize things, and yeah, this is from package from here somewhere, but everything that you will receive inside of the package will be this mouse pad, this kind of mouse pad. I hope you can see, and this little sticker. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'm extremely disappointed, and yeah, I will return it. I have to say something. The surface is not the same. Yeah, let me see. Let me put. Yeah, seems to be the same, but on Parsec the mousepad, it's better work. You can feel that. Yeah. Then this is it for the moment, guys. See you on the next unboxing, where I will unbox the mousepad that I will buy after returning this one. If the company, I mean if the store will accept my refund, I will tell you what happened in the next video. Then thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you again on my channel, and don't forget to try to share or somehow to subscribe to my channel, and see you. Bye, guys.